on Cool Me 10 is Birdie in a basket. Let's get on with the video. So, I have a birdie in a basket. Let me show you him. Here's the little rascal. Look at the camera. That's the one in most videos that I have. Come on. Come on. And he flies away a lot. First thing he ever does is go in his cage. He's such a rascal. Check out my other videos on him. He is so crazy. I also have a bunny. I'm doing a YouTube video. And this is the bunny from the school. He's also a rascal. He's the school bunny. And I get to take him home for the weekend. But look how cute his little face is. He's so adorable. He's a little crazy bunny. Here he is. Get you guys a closer look. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's him. So, hope you guys, he's a bit skittish, but hope you guys check me out later on Cool Me 10. Bye.